What up, y'all? This is the new segment of Learn a Groove, How to Be a Better Dancer. We're gonna do a bunch of different jacking style for your house movements, house music. So, you know anything about house? Google it. So, here you go. Check it out. Come with me. Okay, first house jack, we call this the New York style. First, we're gonna do bend our knees forward, and then after that, we're gonna release our knee and push our pelvis forward. After that, we're gonna put our upper body going forward, but keep your core straight and engage while you're doing this. You don't wanna flop with this, okay? Try to breathe also when you go up on your upper body goes up. I want you to breathe out, release the air on your lungs. Again, do that a few times. Bend your knees. And then next, pushing your pelvis forward. Next, upper body going forward, releasing the air. All right, breathe in when you bend your knees. Release your pelvis forward and upper body going forward with your core engaged. All right, second jack exercise. This is the Parrot style. So this is a reverse of New York jacking. Okay, so knee going forward, hips going back, keep your back straight, and then back to neutral position. Yeah, repeat that again. Breathe out when you bend your knee, pushing your hips backward, and then upper body, keeping your back straight and your core engage, and release the air after you get into a neutral position. Do that slow, and then when you get used to it, listen to the music and follow the beat, follow the bass line, drop on your knees on the bass line and back up again on the snare. All right, third house jack groove. I want you to do this side to side really slow. This is a very difficult one. A lot of people having a hard time getting this because it's about using your ribs and your oblique muscle in the opposite way. So if you're gonna release that, if you're gonna engage your left oblique muscle, you have to release that right ribs going to the right, and then opposite way, release your ribs, left ribs, and then engaging your right oblique muscle. I want you to continue doing this because this is really hard to figure out. Breathe and keep doing it slow. Learn how to engage your core in your oblique muscle and transferring your weight. It's all about the weight transfer to going to the right and going to the left. Do that really slow. From head to toe, you have to really feel every single part of your body. Hey, thank you again for watching Learn and Groove, How to Be a Better Dancer. So I hope that helped you. Very basic and core of house dancing. So next time you come to my house class at Harbor, that's at every Monday, 8:15 Granville Street in Vancouver. Go check it out. Come, and if you feel comfortable with that at the group, and if you need more lessons for it, please holla at me on Facebook or Instagram. Just private message me if you have any question, and subscribes are on our channel, and likes, comments, and share, please. And I'll see you again.